If you're a self-sabotager, the chances are good you are a serial procrastinator. And I want to give you a very straightforward methodology for beginning to chip away at your self-sabotaging habits. Now, procrastination is a big deal. It stops many people from living the life that they want. It stops many people from becoming as successful as they would like. It stops people from getting into wonderful relationships and many other things. But it's a big deal, and so just tackling it as a whole can be quite challenging. The good news is that there are some straightforward methodologies that you can begin to get to grips with almost immediately that will begin to chip away at this overall behavior. And it's all about habits. Now, you might have heard about habits. There's a handful of books on developing habits. Atomic Habits by James Clear is a good one. I'll put a link below. I recommend it highly. But what this methodology is called the 2-minute rule. Now, if you get good at this, you begin to chip away at the overall behavior by working in 2-minute chunks. And it goes a bit like this. If it takes you less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. If it takes you less than 2 minutes, or will take you less than a couple of minutes, do it now. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because many things in our lives, replying to emails, sending texts, putting stuff onto social media, getting back to somebody, etc., even just brushing your teeth, cleaning the bathroom, cleaning the toilet, could take just a couple of minutes, probably would. The point I'm trying to make here, the reason why this is so powerful is it begins to set a series of achievements for you, for which you can then feel good about. I did it. I can feel good about this. I can move on. It's not hanging over me. Because that's the big deal about procrastination, is that when you don't do things you know you should, you begin to, or many people begin to condemn themselves for being such a loser. And so with the 2-minute rule, if it takes you less than 2 minutes, or you reckon it'll take you just a couple of minutes, do it now, begins to chip away at this belief. It begins to get stuff done. Your to-do list will actually get shorter. You'll feel so much more fulfilled about how much you're getting done, and that will in itself provide motivation and inspiration for you to keep going. So again, here's how it works. If it's going to take you 2 minutes or less, or thereabouts, do it now. Do it immediately. Get it done and dusted. Just get it out of the way. And then, once you've mastered this, you can begin to chip away at the wider, bigger issues. But all they're doing at the moment is tackling a symptom. I'm going to do another video on the causes of procrastination and self-sabotage. But right now, just get into the 2-minute rule. If it takes you less than a couple of minutes, or think it will take you less than a couple of minutes, get it done now. Now, this becomes addictive, and so, but the good thing is to make sure that you give yourself a pat on the back for having done it. Make sure you work on feeling good, getting stuff done, getting stuff off my to-do list. I'm making progress. I recommend this. It's a really good one. It works for me. It works for thousands and thousands of others. And yeah, it's a good way of beginning to chip away at your procrastination habits, and then you can get into the habit of getting stuff done far more successfully. Give it a whirl. If you've got questions or comments, please let me know. And remember, as usual, subscribe to the channel, share it out. Thanks for watching.